Hey, hello everyone, good evening, and once again welcome to the YouTube channel of Knowell Bell. I am Akshata and here we are preparing for your upcoming Sainik School and Rashtra Military School entrance exam. Good evening Rabhinandan, how are you? It has been quite a while. Okay, good evening Kavya, good evening Sarthak, good evening Bipin, good evening Sriram, very good evening to all of you. Okay, so let us start the today's session. Okay everyone, so quickly let us get started over here. Okay, so chaliye. Good evening, Mita Kavya. Hello. Good evening, Viral. Okay, everyone. So we are going to discuss over here questions basically from the topic of percentage. कल हमने देखा था how to find the percentage of something, and now we are going to learn how to create the percentage from the given values. Good evening, Mita. Good evening, anime arts. Okay. Okay. So okay, you already calculated the answer 69%. Good. तो चलिए very quickly हम start करते हैं. Express 18 hours as a percent of 3 days. What we have to do? We have to convert 18 hours as a percent of 3 days. मतलब हमको क्या करना है? 18 hours को हमको convert करना है percentage में as a percent of 3 days. Yesterday I told you that whenever we are doing such kind of calculations, एक चीज हमको बहुत अच्छे से याद रखनी होती है. That is the unit of numerator and denominator has to same. Numerator का unit और denominator का unit दोनों ही क्या होंगे? Both of them has to be same. What is the unit here? 18 hours. What is the unit here? Day. So first we'll do the conversion. One day is equals to how many hours? One day has a total of 24 hours. So how many hours will be there in 3 days? 3 days में कितने hour होंगे? 3 days will have 3 into 24 hours. 3 days will have how many hours? 3 into 24 hours. So now what we are going to do, we will create a fraction. Fraction क्या बनेगा? 18 upon 3 into 24. हमने इसको पूरा नहीं multiply किया, we are just kept it like that. So that will make the calculations easier. ये हमारा fraction बन गया. इसको हमको percent में convert करना है. So in order to convert a fraction into percent, we always multiply by 100. 3 ones are 3. 3 6 times is 18. 6 fours are 24. So what we have got? 1 by 4 into 100. That will be equal to how much? 25%. That will be equal to how much? 25%, not 40%. Okay. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया everyone? We converted 3 days into hours. 3 days will have how many hours? 3 into 24 hours. Okay. Now, what we have here? 18 upon 3 into 24. We converted into fraction and उसके बाद हमने क्या किया? We multiplied it by 100. Why we have multiplied by 100? हमने 100 से क्यों multiply किया? हमने 100 से multiply किया ताकि हमारा जो fraction है that must get converted into a percentage. So after solving it, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 times is 18, 6 ones are 6, 6 4 times is 24. We are left with 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 when multiplied by 100 हमको कितना देगा? 25%. So what will be the correct answer here? 25% will be the correct answer. Good, Sarthak. Correct. Sarthak is right. Kavya, Sriram. Good, everyone. The next question, find 10% more than 90. What we have to do? We have to find 10% more than 90. How we will solve the question? Question क्या कह रहा है? 10% more than 90. What is the meaning of this? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 10% more than 90. The timetable is every day, Rudraksh, we have a class at 8:15. Okay, every day in the evening, Monday to Friday, not Saturday, Monday to Friday, we have a class at 8:15. Okay, so find 10% more than 90. What is the meaning of this question? 10% more than 90. इसका मतलब है 90 का 10% ज़्यादा, more. Okay. So whenever we are having something more, what we do addition. When will I have something more? जब मैं अपने पास, जैसे मेरे पास already 5 pens थे. When will I have more pens? When one more pen is added to it. So मेरे पास ज़्यादा pens होंगे. So 10% more than 90. No, solve it again, भाव्या. 10% more than 90. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We will calculate 10% of 90. What we are going to calculate? We have to find 10% of 90 first. What will be the 10% of 90? 10 upon 100 of means multiply 90. 0, 0 got cancelled. 0, 0 got cancelled. What will be the 10% of 90? 10% of 90 is 9 only. 10% of 90 is 9 only. And हमको क्या चाहिए? 10% more than 90. तो already हमारे पास कितना था? Already we had 90. 10% more. What is 10%? 10% is 9. So 9 more. How much we are going to get? 90 plus 9 will be 99. So 10% more than 90 will be 99. Understood? Who is not clear? There is one more method, okay? I will explain it to you. वैसे भी आप solve कर सकते हो. How can you do it? देखो 10% more than 90. So how you will do it? It will be 90 plus 10% more. More के लिए हमने plus side किया. 10% of what? 10% of 90. 90 will stay like 90. 10 upon 100 into 90. इसको हमने solve किया. How much we got? 90 plus 9. That will be equal to 99. Okay, this way you can also do it. So the answer will be 99. Okay, the next question after this, question number 36. Find 20% less than 70. Look, this is also a similar question. ये question भी बहुत similar है, but what we have to do? It is less. Whenever the question is saying less, that means we have to do subtraction. हमको क्या करना होता है? We have to do subtraction. 20% less than 70. So what we will do? 70 minus 20% of 70. Okay, 70 minus 20% of 70. So first, let us solve it. 70 minus 20% of 70 कितना होगा? 20 upon 100 into 70. 0 zeros got cancelled here. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 70 minus 14. How much we will get? 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So answer will be 56. Understood everyone? 56. 40% नहीं आएगा. Bipin, have a look. Answer will not come in percent because percent value हम calculate करके क्या करें? We are doing the subtraction. So answer will not come in percent. Okay? 56 will be the answer, Harshita, not 54. Okay. Clear everyone? The same way, let us have a look at the next question. What percent of 24 is 6? Question number 37. What percent of 24 is 6? Question number 37. What percent of 24 is 6? 24 का कितना percent 6 होगा? What percent of 24 is 6? So what percent of, once again, आपको याद होगा, in yesterday's class I told you, of 24. What is given here? Of. This implies कि ये क्या है? This implies this is whole. Is given, that implies this is part. ये whole होगा, and what is going to be this? This one is going to be part. Okay? Yes, do it very carefully, Harshita. Okay? So we have to create a fraction first. सबसे पहले हम fraction create करेंगे. A fraction is what? A fraction is part upon whole. What is part? Part is 6. What is whole? Whole is 24. And now हमको क्या करना है? We want to convert this fraction into percent. तो percent में conversion के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? We multiply by 100. 6 ones are 6. 6 fours are 24. This will become 1 by 4 into 100. That will give us 100 upon 4. 100 upon 4 कितना हुआ? It will be equal to 25%. 100 upon 4 is how much? 25%. Very good, Viral. Okay, correct, Shriram, you also got it correctly. 25%. So always keep in mind, of 24 likha, that implies it is whole. Is 6 is given, that means 6 is the part. Correct. 25 is the right answer. Good. The next question, question number 38. What percent of rupees 125 is rupees 10? What percent of rupees 125 is rupees 10? Once again, pay attention very carefully. क्या given है? Of 125. Of is there. तो ये आपका indication है that this is the whole. Okay. And then we have is 10. Is was given. तो ये क्या indicate करता है? This is part. Fraction होता है part upon whole. Numerator upon denominator. What is the value of part? Part is 10. What is the value of whole? 125. This is the fraction. हमको क्या करना है? We have to convert this fraction into percent. हमको इसको किस में convert करना है? We have to convert it into percent. परसेंट में कन्वर्जन के लिए हम हमेशा क्या करेंगे, विल मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड, परसेंट अगर हमको बनाना है, you have to create percent of ratio, percent of fraction, any percent will multiply it by 100. Okay, 25, 5s are 125, 25 4 times is 100, 4 into 10 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 2 times is 10, we are left with 4 into 2, 4 into 2 is how much? 8%. What is the value of 4 into 2? 4 into 2 कितना होगा? 8%. Correct सार्थक, correct Vipin, correct Bhavya, correct Viral, Tinku ki dunya, that is also right. 8% will be the correct answer. Good. Harshita Shriram, 8% is the right answer. The next question, question number 39, what percent of 4 kilometer is 160? Okay, percentage में always focus on the basic questions. If your basic questions are clear, word problems बहुत अच्छे से बन जाएंगे, profit and loss बहुत अच्छे से बनेगा, simple interest बहुत अच्छे से बनेगा. But if we are having difficulty in the basics of percentage, तो हमारे 3 chapters जो है यहाँ पे they get affected with this. Profit and loss will get affected, simple interest will get affected, and the percentage के word problems है, they will also get affected. Okay. एंड वेरी ऑफन डायरेक्ट बेसिक क्वेश्चन से भी आपको परसेंटेज में एमसीक्यू देखने मिलेगा. ओके, इट इज योर मदर्स आईडी. ओके कनिष्का, okay, solved it. Okay, so for of 4 kilometer, of implies this is whole, is implies this is part. Okay, now many of you आपने यहाँ पे नोटिस किया होगा that whole ये तो 4 ही है and part is 160, this is bigger, but if you will look carefully, this is kilometer. ये किसमें given है value? This is given in kilometer, this is given in meter. So सबसे पहला step हमारे लिए होता है, we have to make the units the same. How we are going to do that? 1 kilometer is equals to how many meter? 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 4 kilometers will be how many meters? 4 kilometers will be 4000 meters. Now what we are going to do? Now we will create the fraction. Fraction क्या होता है? Fraction is part upon whole. Part is 160, whole is 4000 into 100. Zero zeros will get cancelled. One more zero will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. So right answer will be 4%. What will be the answer? 4%. Okay. Correct Shriram, Rajashekhar. Correct Sarthak, correct Bhavya, correct Harshita. What will be the answer here? 4%. So what was the important thing? हमको किलोमीटर का conversion करना था. That was one of the important points here. The next question, question number 40. What percent of rupees 8 is 25 paise? What percent of rupees 8 is 25 paise? Correct, Vipin. 4 is the right answer. Rupees 8 off is given. That means this is whole. Is 25 paise. Is 25 given है? What does this implies? This implies this is part. ये क्या होगा? This is part. Okay, so let us create the fraction. Before creating the fraction, यहाँ पे unit क्या है? पैसे. What is the unit here? Rupees. So 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 1 rupee is 100 paise. So 8 rupee will be how many paise? 8 rupee will be equal to 800 paise. What is the value of 8 rupee? 8 rupee will be 800 paise. Now we will create the fraction. Fraction is once again part upon whole. What is the value of part? Part value is 25 upon 800 into 100. Zero zeros will get cancelled here. 25 upon 8. What is the answer, everyone? 3200. How come? 25 upon 8. Okay. Rajashekhar is also getting 25 upon 8. Vipin is also getting the same. 25 upon 8%. Clear, everyone? 3.125. Yes, when you will divide it, so it will be 3.125. तो ये भी हमको देखना है whether the options are given in fraction, option is given in improper fraction, or the option, sorry, not improper, option is given in, sometimes the options are given in mixed fraction, और कई बार आपको option किस में देखने मिलेंगे, decimal में. So you will have to look accordingly कि options किस में given है, and then we have to do it. Yes, that's what I'm saying, Kanishka. It will depend on the option. हो सकता है आपको 25/8 direct option में देखने मिले, हो सकता है you will get the mixed fraction. 3 1/8%. This one will also be the correct. Okay, this can also be the option. 8 3 is 24, 1, 25, or you can also get it in the decimals. Okay, so it will depend on the options, not paise, Harshita. The unit will be percentage. We are converting it in percent. Okay. This I am teaching the basics of percentage for class 6th. Okay. Next is the question number 41. What percent of 2 hours is 8 hours? What percent of 2 hours is 8 hours? Okay, now have a look. Of 2 hours, this is whole. Is 2 hours, is 8 hours, this is part. Now many of you will wonder, आप हो सकता है ये सोचोगे कि यहाँ पे तो 8 बिगर है तो 8 न्यूमरेटर कैसे होगा? How is that possible? But it is very much possible. In the percentage, sometimes we get the values higher than 100. Okay, sometimes we get the values higher than 100. तो कभी भी इस चीज से हमको याद नहीं रखना है that bigger number will be denominator and smaller will be numerator. Always we will keep in mind it this way that of that is given, that means it is whole. Is followed by the number, तो ये क्या होगा? Part. So fraction will be part upon whole. That is 8 upon 2 into 100. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 400%. How come everyone got 4%? ये तो सिर्फ हमने सॉल्व किया. नाउ यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू परसेंट. जब आपने 8/4 किया, 8/2 किया, so we have simplified the fraction. All we have done is we simplified the fraction. Now we have to convert it into percentage also. तो percentage में conversion के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will multiply it by 100. हम क्या करेंगे? हम 100 से इसको multiply करेंगे. So we will get 400. Good. Okay. The next question, question number 42. What percent of 1 liter is 175 ml? What percent of 1 liter? Once again question क्या कह रहा है? What percent of 1 liter? What is the meaning of 1 liter? Of 1 liter means this is whole. Is 175 ml? This is part. The detail, the attention that is important. 1 unit is liter, 1 unit is milliliters. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We'll make the units same. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equals to how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. So we will now create the fraction. Fraction is part upon whole. Part कितना है हमारा? 175. Denominator will get 1000 and इसको हम convert करेंगे fraction में. So we will multiply it by 100. 5 2 times is 10. 5 3s are 15. 16 17. 2 is the remainder. 2 will come here. 25. 5 5s are 25. तो हमारे पास कितना बचा? 35 upon 2%. What will be the answer? 35 upon 2%. Now इससे आपके 3 options create हो सकते हैं. One option can be directly 35 upon 2%. हो सकता है हमको option में directly क्या given हो? We are given directly 35/2%. Or it can be 17.5%. Okay, it can be given in the decimal as well, 17.5, or they can also give you the answer in the mixed fraction. So you don't have to be confused. आपको कोई भी option आए, 35/2 आ जाए, 17.5 आए, 35 not 35, sorry 17 1/2%. Okay, either of the option you will get, that is going to be correct. Okay, so don't get confused. The same thing, the same can be converted into the various options. So all the 3 of them can be the correct answer. Next is the question number 43. Okay, what percent is equivalent to 3/8? Now here everyone, with the help of this question, we are learning about a new kind of thing. Okay, that is what percent is equivalent to 3/8. Now इक्विवेलेंट, मेनी टाइम्स जब हम वर्ड सुनते हैं इक्विवेलेंट, वी लर्न अबाउट इट इन इक्विवेलेंट रेशियोज, इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस, तो आपको यहाँ पे कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है, बट यू डोंट हैव टू बी कंफ्यूज्ड बिकॉज क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है, व्हाट परसेंट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 3/8. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? इट मीन्स यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट 3/8 into percent. आपको क्या करना है? You have to convert 3/8 into percent. You have to do what you have been doing. They have used the word equivalent. उन्होंने क्या किया है? No, that's what I'm saying, हर्षिता. हमको बेटा इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन नहीं फाइंड करना है. द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग मेनी टाइम्स, वही मैंने कहा कि हम जब इसको रीड करें क्वेश्चंस को, तो हमने इक्विवेलेंट वर्ड पढ़ा and we got like very excited that, oh, I know how to find equivalent fractions, I know how to find equivalent ratio, and in that hurriedness, in that very happiness, we forgot to read the question. हमने question को पूरा ही नहीं पढ़ा. Question क्या कह रहा है? What percent is equivalent to 3/8? Equivalent means equal to. What percent is equal to 3/8? This means when you will convert 3/8 into a percent, what you are going to get. तो सिंपली हमको क्या करना है? हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट 3/8 इंटू परसेंट? 3/8 एक फ्रैक्शन है, फ्रैक्शन को हम परसेंट में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? वी ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाई फ्रैक्शन बाय 100 टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू परसेंटेज. तो क्वेश्चन ने हमसे सिर्फ इतना ही पूछा है, व्हाट इज द परसेंट वैल्यू ऑफ 3/8? इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दैट कन्वर्ट 3/8 इनटू फ्रैक्शन, सॉरी इनटू परसेंट, क्वेश्चन ने क्या वर्ड यूज किया? इट यूज द वर्ड इक्विवेलेंट. सो दिस इज हाउ द एग्जामिनर्स ट्राई टू कंफ्यूज अस. तो सेम टाइप के क्वेश्चन आप वेरियस लैंग्वेज में प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. 3/8 इंटू 100. ओके, सो 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 0, 2 2 is 4, 25. Correct. Rajashekhar has given the answer correctly. 75/2. 75/2. Once again, it can be there in the percentage, in the fraction, in the decimals, in the mixed fraction. किसी भी ऑप्शन में आपको देखने मिल सकता है. No, I am only teaching for class 6 Sainik School entrance exam. Okay. And online classes maybe mostly I do that for class 6 only because my time does not permits me to teach for both, because class 6 की classes जो हमारी regular batch की होती हैं वो 2 hours की हो जाती हैं. फिर आप लोगों की class होती है YouTube पे, and after that like 9th class will take more of 3 hours in itself. So we are just still class 6 only. Okay. 75/2 is right. Okay, the next question number 44. Find 8 is 4% of which number? Find out 8 is 4% of which number? What we have to find here? We have to find out the value of number. Which number? हमको क्या find करना है? We have to find out number. So, what was the formula of finding number? Number हम कैसे find करते थे? What was the formula of finding the number? In order to find number, what we had to do? The formula was 100 multiplied by given value divided by percent. Okay, so what is the given value? 8. 100 into 8 upon percent value. Percent value कितना है? 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 100 multiplied by 2. So directly from here we got the answer. Number क्या होगा हमारा? The number will be 200. Very good. We will solve it correctly. Then Bhavya is also correct. Namita is also correct. Rajashekhar is right. Good, Harshita. Correct, Kavya. Very good. Okay. Yes, you were first, Bhavya. Very good. Okay. So, correct, everyone. 200 will be the right answer. Question number 45. 6 is 60% of which number? 6 is 60% of which number? Correct, Kanishka. 200 will be the right answer. 6 is 60% of which number? So once again we have to find number. What was the formula of number? Number was equal to 100 into value upon the given percent value. So 100, what is the value? Value कितना given है? 6. Percent value is 60. 0 0 got cancelled. 6 6 is got cancelled. Answer कितना होगा हमारा? Answer will be 10. 6 is 60% of which number? 6 is 60% of 10. Correct. Sarthak, Harshita, Bhavya, Viral, Kanishka, Kavya, Rajashekhar. Very good. Okay. Correct, Sriram. 10 will be the right answer. Question number 46. 6 is 30% of which number? 6 is 30% of which number? 6 is 30% of which number? Once again, what is the formula of number? Number is equals to 100 into value upon percent. So 100 into what is the given value? 6 upon 30. 0, 0 got cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 10 multiplied by 2, that will be equal to 20, not 20%, just 20. What will be the answer? 20 will be the correct answer. Good. So everyone is very clear with this question, I think. ऐसे questions अब सभी को बहुत अच्छे से बनने लगे and इतने simple जो questions है ना ये exam में पूछे जाते हैं. Okay, after like completing this chapter when we'll do the previous year questions, so such kind of questions are asked in the exam, even though they seem simple, but they are very consistently asked in the exam. The next is 12 is 25% of which number? So once again, number is equals to 100 into value upon percent. What will be the answer? 100, value kitna hua? 12, percent is 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 4 times is 100, 12 into 4, 12 fours are 48. What will be the answer here? 48 will be the correct answer. Good. Right. Sarthak, Rajashekhar. Very good. Everyone is correct. Tanishka, Harshita. Good. 48. Question number 48. Convert the following into percentage and find out which is more. So you have a statement here and आपको क्या करना है? You have to convert it into a fraction, sorry, into a percent, and we have to find out which one is more. So first is 25 marks out of 30. Okay, first one क्या है? The first one is 25 marks out of 30. So this is part 1 and this is part B. 25 marks out of 30. How we will write it? 25 out of 30 and we'll convert it into percentage. 0, 0 got clear. We are left with 250 upon 3%. The next one is 35 marks out of 40. 35 marks out of 40 into 100. 0, 0 got cancelled. 2 twos are 4. 2 5 times 10. 35 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 carried. 5 3s are 15. 16, 17. 175 upon 2%. Convert it into decimal and हमको बताना है which one is more. Convert these into decimals and then we will tell which one is more. So यहाँ पे कितना होगा? 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 87.5. What will be the decimal value for this? 3 8s are 24. Okay, then 1 carried, 3 3s are 9, 83.33%. So which one is more? Part B1 is more. Okay. Okay. These kind of questions will require some amount of practice. They are easy, but आपको धीरे धीरे बनने लगेंगे. Okay. So everyone, this class now we will sum up. Yes, B is the right answer, Kanishka. This class everyone will sum up now. Tomorrow we will have our class. That will be the GK class. Okay. So kindly join that session also. 8:15 से ही class रहेगी. And percentage के अब हम word problem start करेंगे. थोड़े higher level, advanced level questions हम करेंगे next week से. Okay. So आज की class हम यहीं पे sum up करते हैं. Tomorrow we will have our GK class. So everyone will meet once again tomorrow at 8:15 and जो भी students इस year exam के लिए appear करें, राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म्स आर आउट. जल्दी से जल्दी आप उनको फिल कीजिए. 19th of September is the last date. Do not wait for the last minute. Okay. Okay. So राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल फॉर्म्स एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म्स कनिष्का 19th September is the last date for them. तो उसके लिए आप फिल अप कीजिए and do not wait for the last moment. Okay. Okay. Bye everyone. Good night and we'll meet again tomorrow.